Welcome to Share Fun Vibe, the place for travel tips, deals, news, information, and fun, fun, fun. We're approaching the summertime, and oh, how wonderful it is just to chill and enjoy all that Jamaica has to offer. But Jamaica is a year-round destination, and that's what makes it absolutely wonderful. I was excited when I got an opportunity to share one of my favorite attractions the other day with one of our directors. That is Mystic Mountain. It just has an appeal that cannot quite be expressed. It's a haven, a retreat, a green space in the middle of the town of Ocho Rios. And boy, what fun we had. The attraction is an oasis. It's a museum. It's a relaxed spot. The infinity pool. Oh my goodness, the water slides, the zip lines, and not to take away from anything, the bobsleigh, the screamer. If you really want to have that rush of fun, the bobsleigh is for you. Particularly if you're not the type who will go ziplining horizontally and vertically, then this might be as much as your blood pressure can take. We had an absolutely amazing trip visiting and spending quality time at Mystic Mountain in Ocho Rios, overlooking the Bay of Ocho Rios, overlooking the sights and scenes and getting a taste of the Appleton history, seeing a little bit of the storyboards that spoke of our time going back in history, touching on slavery and touching on the iconic Usain Bolt and the Jamaicans who had no snow but made it to a bobsleigh and made bobsleigh an event to be associated with Jamaicans. So, in your next visit to Ocho Rios, be sure to add Mystic Mountain to your list of endeavors. Take a look at all that it has to offer. And of course, remember, when it comes to fun, Share Fantastic Travels and Resorts Limited is the place for you. Ciao for now.